An amazing opportunity to catch this invasive snakefish with an advanced stall, guys. One of the best reels money can buy, as you guys can see. Got him right there with that hook. Oh man, whoa, no. He's feisty. Oh my gosh, no. Guys, look, we got the big one right here, but look, the babies are right there, guys. They see the babies, they see the mama and dada. The babies are out here, guys, but we're about to catch all these baby snakeheads. These are invasive fish taking over the South Florida canals, guys. Unacceptable. Look how many babies those are. There's at least 1,000 of them.
Hey guys, it's me, Roddy, and you're watching Extreme Pond Stars. There is a whole look at them, they're just chilling under here. Oh my gosh. Oh my, they're just piled up on each other.
Thing is a straight dragon. That thing is a beast, bro.
There's no way.
I fought him like a pro.
Extreme Pond Stars in the building. Yes. And he's got,
Monster Mike flexing on these crabs right now. He ain't worried about a thing.
I ain't worried about nothing.
So we back, bro. Let's get him. Oh! His mouth. Oh!
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Come on, let me help you out, bro.
guys, this is insane. I'm with Extreme Pond Stars. I'm with the Iguana Man. We are tearing up the crabs. We got them in the bag. We're gonna eat good.
The other bird came over here. The mama's over there teaching the babies how to swim. They need to watch out, guys, because there is a predator in these canals lurking. Guys, that predator is the bullseye snakehead. Unfortunately, this thing is breeding out of control like crazy. Anything it can fit in its mouth. And guys, you guys know the toads have just hatched. They're evolving from tadpoles into frogs. So Extreme, what is the bait of choice today that we're gonna be using, dude?
The bait of choice is a nice toad or frog. Hey, the color is definitely gonna stand out in this dark water. So if there's a predator of a snakefish out there, 100% he's gonna hit this. Guys,
Extreme Pond Stars in the building, and guys, he is potentially gonna save those baby chicks right there from an invasive snakehead.
Yes.
By catching them on a fake frog.
I'm ready to save the baby.
Let's go.
All right, let's do it.
Oh my goodness. Whoa, I can't believe you just got him.
Crap.
Oh!
Oh my God.
Oh!
Wow.
Bro! Yo, what on earth is that?
Dude, I don't know, bro. It looks like a snake.
Oh,
but it
my
looks like
God.
an eel.
Oh!
Oh my gosh. Hold on.
This is crazy. Oh!
Dude, he's not ready to come in.
What on earth?
Whatever it is, bit the spool tech, bro.
Bro, you get him on the tech?
Oh my God.
Got him on the spool tech, you guys.
Watch out. Flip or die, baby.
Got him on the spool tech.
My
Oh!
gosh. Yeah, buddy. We got us an invasive snakefish. Oh yeah.
Damn!
That's how it's done.
Got him on the van stall on the spool tech.
Oh man, that was so much fun, guys. It's an amazing opportunity to catch this invasive snakefish with an advanced stall, guys. One of the best reels money can buy, as you guys can see. Got him right there with that hook. Oh man, whoa, no. He's feisty. Oh my gosh.
No way.
No.
You locked down on him.
Guys,
Oh my goodness.
we're gonna get him back in. Y'all. But like I was saying, it's such an amazing opportunity. Catch this invasive fish, guys, with the spool tech. With one of the best reels that money can buy, y'all. We have this van stall right here. Hold on. Look at that right there. Oh, it's an amazing opportunity, guys. We got this invasive fish. He was with his fry. We threw the bait right on his nose. He got flared. Probably out of act of defense. Rolled on it. Ended up catching that hook right over there.
Look at those big googly eyes.
Huge eyes. And you guys already know what he uses that for. Sight predator, straight ambush.
4-inch spool tech, you guys. 4-inch spool tech going to work.
Absolutely ridiculous, guys. Super fun though. But guys, this is invasive fish. These things are terrorizing the canals. Look, there go his babies right there. Look, there go his babies.
Right.
Oh, no, wait, he's going back with his, no. Oh my gosh. Dude, look at all the babies right there. Oh. Look at all the babies right there. They're. Now you guys, look, the babies are going next to the parent right there, as you guys can see. They do feel safe, but this fish right here is eating a lot of the native fish, like the largemouth bass and the bluegills and stuff. And the reason being, guys, these are voracious predators. They're stealth ambush all day, every day, even at night. And also, the adults will actually guard the babies, all right? So it even gives them a bigger upper edge on, you know, devastating the natural stock that we have here in Florida, guys. This is it right here. Jeremy Wade actually came from River Monsters to catch one of these beasts, guys, in the same waterway. So I feel really honored to be fishing the same waterways as Jeremy Wade. Yes, guys, the River Monster legend was fishing out here and catching these invasive fish, guys. Guys, comment down below what should we do with this fish. They are invasive, they are already established, but they are good table fare. I don't know, guys. You guys want to see a snakehead catch and cook? If this video gets 3,000 likes, we will do a catch and cook on this snakefish. Guys, look, we got the big one right here, but look, the babies are right there, guys. They see the babies, they see the mama and daddy. The babies are out here, guys, but we're about to catch all these baby snakeheads. These are invasive fish taking over the South Florida canals, guys. Unacceptable. Look how many babies those are. There's at least 1,000 of them.
Yo, the babies are right there.
Oh my god.
You see them? Go ahead.
Oh, we got him.
Oh, you got him.
We got him.
Oh
my god. Oh my gosh, guys, we got all the babies.
Oh
Wow.
my goodness. Look at that, you guys.
Dude.
No way, bro. You just got all those snakeheads.
Yeah, I know. This is the most snakeheads I ever caught in one day. Holy crap.
Wow.
Oh, there's more. We're back here.
This is so crazy. You guys do not try this at home.
Oh, let me get the
Look at that, you guys. Baby snakehead right there. And there's more.
Got this right here. Oh my god. Hey, put all the babies in here, y'all. We got dinner, and we're gonna have to euthanize these babies, unfortunately. There's that many of them. Wow, look at this, y'all. Oh my god. This is ridiculous. Josh, two-hand them, bro.
They're right there. They're right there.
Guys, we're saving the canals of South Florida
Gotta go
one
deeper,
snakefish
gotta
at
go
a time. Oh, you got him.
Yeah, you got some.
Go ahead, throw them in here. Throw them right in there. Throw them right in there.
Oh.
All right, y'all. Got a cooler right here full of ice. Checking what's in there. Got a baby Charizard in there. Charizard! Fire blast! Now, we got a snakefish.
Oh, let's take a look at that snakefish real quick.
Hold him vertically. And now, we got a snakefish. Oh, shoot! Get in that ice water, boy. He is not He's going on the grill, so got him in the bag.
Yo, stay tuned because, yo, we're going to put that snakefish on the grill, fire him up.